Bangladesh, a lovely land in South Asia, adorned by the endless beauty of nature. The land is a peaceful symphony with a communal harmony and colorful lifestyle. Cherished by thousands of years of ancient civilizations, there are uncountable historical remembrances that reveal the golden past of this country. Pudranogor, the 2,500-year-old fort city at Mahastangor Bogora, is the ancient-most city in Bangladesh. The world-famous Chinese pilgrim Yun San visited here in the 7th century AD. The Paharpur Buddhist monastery at Naugaon, renowned as the biggest Buddhist structure in the South Himalayan region in the Middle Era, has been declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Around 1200 years ago, knowledge revived from this Shalbon Vihara at Kumilla had enlightened the then ancient state Shamatata. 500-year-old magnificent city, Khalifatabad. This historical mosque city of Bakirhat is now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sonargaon, the capital of the first independent Muslim Sultanate in Bengal, reminds of the ancient and glorious history of this land. Puthia is renowned as the territory of innumerable temples and archaeological landmarks in Rajshahi. One of the remarkable and attractive signs of art and culture is the Kantaji temple at Dinajpur. The Lal Bagh Fort, the most significant landmark of the Mughal era and the symbol of the capital city Dhaka. This 400-year-old city has also been holding the enchanting structures of the Victorian era. Sprinkling the glance of architectural craftsmanship, hundreds of zamindar baris are spread all over the country. On the south coast of Bangladesh, there is the single largest mangrove forest in the world, the Sundarbans. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is now the pride of all. The spectacular Bangladeshi weaving method of Jamdani is now a unique, intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO. Jamdani, the first GI product of Bangladesh. The Shital Pati of Bangladesh, with its traditional art of weaving, is recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO. The art of pottery is an enriched tradition of Bangladesh. The sacrifice for mother tongue of the Bengali nation on the 21st February in 1952 is an unprecedented happening around the world. Recognized as the International Mother Language Day by UNESCO, the 21st February is celebrated to promote and to protect all mother languages.
এবারে সংগ্রাম আমাদের মুক্তির সংগ্রাম, এবারে সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম।
The historical and legendary speech on the 7th of March 1971 by the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, guided the formation of an independent Bangladesh, is recognized as a world important documentary heritage by UNESCO.
মিলন হবে কত দিনে, মিলন হবে কত দিনে, আমার মনের মানুষের সনে, আমার মনের মানুষের সনে।
One of the popular streams of the folk songs in Bangladesh is the Baul songs, a UNESCO-recognized intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Pohela Boishakh, the first day of the Bangla year, is a festive day of colorful concord. Recognized as a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage of humanity, this Mongol Shobhajatra is a unique festival of the Bengali culture. This is Bangladesh, grandeur of glory, carnival of concord, harmony of heritage.